Hi, scholars, family, and friends. I am so glad you were able to join us, and welcome to Highly Favored Learning for Kids channel. I am so excited about what we have in store. In today's lesson, we will cover beginning phonics with sight words that start with the letter A, and we will embark on this journey together. With me, of course, Mrs. Davis, LilL Tee, Tenkie, and we can't forget about the twins, King and Dynasty. So scholars, I hope you are ready. Now let's begin.
Beginning phonics with the letter A, Part 1. Short A makes the sound ah, while long A says its own name A. The word is as A, S. Say as. The word is at A, T. Say at. The word is an. A-N. Say an. The word is am. E-M. Say The word is all. A-L-L. Say all. The word is ask. A-S-K. Say ask. The word is eight. A-T-E. Say eight. The word is R. E-R-E. Say R. The word is apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Say apples. The word is aid. A-I-D. Say aid. Wow, scholars? Awesome! You did it! Great job! Excellent participation! You have earned a golden star, a blue award ribbon, and a high five. I am so proud of you. Scholars, this concludes today's lesson, Part 1 Beginning Phonics, with sight words that begin with the letter A. Don't forget to check out Part 2 of this lesson video. See you soon! Peace and blessings!